Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorial, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enroll for an online banking account with Lloyds Bank. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Then go ahead and open up a web browser. On the search bar, type in lloydsbank.com. Press enter. And then, once you land on this page, click on the option that says log on the top right corner right here. Click on register right here. Now once you land on this page, you have to give out your information such as your title, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your postcode, and now your account information such as your current or savings account if you have one, your sort code here, your account number here, and then lastly click on continue. Once you click on continue, you should be directed to another page that will further guide you on how you can enroll for an online banking account with Lloyds Bank. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.